Hi, hello guys, it's me again today. So, as you look at behind me, you're gonna see my Mustang Mach-E EV. Yeah, and if you can see, I love decorating my car. You see the sport strip, and also I put the window visor on the rear. It looks so good, right? So, and another thing I'm gonna do today to put some more things like accessories into my car, and I want to show you how it looks and how to install it. All right, what I just mentioned is today I'm gonna put some seat cover. This is I bought it from the Extreme store online, and I was so impressed with the quality of the seat cover. As you can see, it looks so cool, right? I'm so excited and can't wait to put it on to my car and see how it looks. And yeah, be patient. In a few minutes I'm gonna show you how to do it, how to install it into the car. Okay, take a closer look to the seat cover. So you can see it's high on of the clip under to make sure it's fastened, and on of this, the nail, the clip, yeah, it's look very tight on of the clip here. So the first thing you need to notice is for the cover for the front seat. So actually it's have this, like, you need to pay attention because there the zip tie that is on the left, on the right of the cover. So I was thinking it should be like this, and the zip tie is will be on this side to make sure you don't want to see the zip. For example, if you put the zip tie on the right, so you're gonna see it on this, so it will not look good looking. So all right, I'm in the middle of the setting up. It's a little bit harder than I thought. You might need some extra help. I have my dad here to help me install it, because you might need two people to tie the string together. For example, with the seat top here, there's some string like on this side, it needs to connect to another side. So, all right, yeah, so for this one, you need to connect together with the other one on the other side. And this is what I just mentioned, yeah, this is. So it needs to go all the way from there to here, connect together. A lot of electrical light string down here, so you don't want to touch it. Make sure it just go through and connect together here. Okay, this is the one under it. And for the bike seat, and on this one right here, so you can look like this this tie, and I need to move up a little bit. Okay, so for this one, you can see the gap between the seat right here. So technically you're gonna put this under, like press this, like go under like this, put them together and spread it. Yeah, put them go through. Yeah, yes, okay. All right, for the back we do the same thing, put them together, put it on. And for this one, do the same thing to plug it in, like under this, like this, like everything, slide it into the gap. Yeah, just press them down, put them into the gap. It's a little bit tight, so you need to press it really hard. All right, so at the front you can see the two spring, and you need to connect all the way with the top of the bike seat right here. So underneath this you have two string to connect it, and you connect all the way down here with this one cut together. All right, so this is what I just mentioned to connect the string from the back to from the front to the back. Yeah, this one. All right, a lot of string down here, so you don't want to touch it. All right, this is for the bike seat, and it's kind of simpler with all of the things. It have all of the zip tie here. You can put them together here. Just one thing you might need to notice is the car seat. You need to put this and the cover under the car seat here to make sure we're still able to use this. And the gap down here, again the same. Put them, slide them into the gap here. Then make sure it's tight. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And that's it. All right. And another side for the back seat. So technically the same thing. You just slide this one. I'm sorry. You just slide this one under the gap here. Like go all the way down here. And there are some zip tie that you can easily see behind this. So it's obviously it's not really nice, but it's functional. It works. It ties a lot for the cover. Yeah. All right. Behind this, you can under the gap you can go through and pull this all the way to make sure it's tight. All right, we finished the back and about the bottom. And the thing is, this one cannot lift up, but go ahead and lift it up. There are just some like clip together, so if you pull it hard, it go up. See? Okay. I gotta pull another one. Yes. Okay. And now you can put the string under it and put it together. And the same step, just put everything into the gap and go through under there. And then you're gonna go under this, then lay onto the clip, put together. Okay. All right, when you put this one go through, and now you need to go back again this one and go all the way down up there. All right, for the string in the middle, actually you don't need to go back all the way here, but actually right here in this hole you can go on this way, and then you connect, and then you connect this together here as a string. And just one thing on the X of the side here, you're gonna see the string right here. You need to connect them together on the way back here. Right, this one go down here. Okay. All right, this is the back after I tie everything together. It looks so cool, I tell you. All right, thank you everyone for watching. Just let me know if you have any question in the comment, like how to install it. I put the description of this item in the description from Extreme online store. This is the good one, you can see. I put the link down there in the description, sorry, to try it after install it for an hour. Yeah, you might need an extra help from your friends or somebody, like because they need some work like underneath this, like tie them together, and a little bit more time to get used to all of the part here. So let me know if you have any question. Link of this one in the description, and thumbs up. Thank you.